Hey guys, what's up? My name's Danny, aka Thrift Fish. I'm an online fashion reseller, so I sell mostly used clothes on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari for my full-time job. And today is going to be a real unboxing where I haven't opened it yet, and I'm gonna do it with you on this recording, except it's more of an unbagging than an unboxing. This is from Jomar. Sorry about crinkly noises. This is from Jomar. They are a new popular wholesale liquidation site, popular amongst resellers, and I ordered one of their 10-piece Mini Designer excellent used condition or new with tags pack bag. Came just now, just got dropped off, so this is fresh. And we're gonna see what's inside. So my phone is currently hooked up. I believe I paid around $87 for this. I think with shipping? I don't know. Yeah, so let's go for it. I've been waiting for this to come in so I could film this video. Okay, here's my packing slip. Here we go, this works. Yes, Mini Designer women's excellent used condition, 10 pieces, original total $59.99 with shipping $87.08. So like a little under $9 per piece here. So, but hoping that these are good pieces so that they justify that average cost per piece. Okay, first is what? Okay, this is a Lily Pulitzer piece. Lily Pulitzer, size small. It's this really cute, like nautical anchor and rope print. And it feels, please say, yes, it's silk. It feels like silk. I was gonna say, that is what justifies it for me. Lily Pulitzer does well in my closet anyway. This is a beautiful print and it's silk. So, I mean, it's a little off season at the moment, but I'm happy with this piece. There's one. Here's two. Bottoms of some sort. Okay, this is Derek Lamb 10 Crosby. It's a cool skirt. It's a cool like ruffle skirt with this zip up the front. Derek Lamb 10 Crosby does okay for me, but I've never had a piece like this. So this seems like it could do well. Maybe better than some of the other pieces I've had in the past that have just been like plain, like viscose tank dresses, which are pretty basic, but they sell okay. So that's number two. That one's good for me, I believe. This feels silk as well. This is a top, okay. This is a really pretty sheer silk blouse, floral print, and it's size medium and a suey. I think this will do really well. The buttons are really pretty. I don't have a lot of experience selling this brand, so I don't find it very often, but from what I've heard, it's a good one. So, just want to verify it's, yeah, silk. Okay, so that's very pretty and feels appropriate. Even though it's like a floral pattern, it still feels fall appropriate. So there's number three. Here's four. What is this? No, really, what is this? It's a tube top, strapless top by a brand I've never heard of in my life, and it's a big old tag, gauge 18, gauge 81. So I was reading it in the camera. I think it's gauge 81. I have to do research on this. Size medium. It is cotton and merino wool and metallized fiber because it's metallic. I don't know, gonna have to get back to you on this one. It looks cool. It's just a little tube top, so I don't know how much it could possibly sell for, but I'll wait for it to amaze me. Hopefully at least $18. What is this? Oh, this is old. But I guess it's okay. I don't know. It just is an old style. This is a really old Nanette Lepore tag, size 2. I think this is also silk. They really packed this box with silk pieces. I mean, it's still pretty. Maybe I will just sell it. I'll look up comps first. It just feels old, but actually when I'm looking at it, I think it could probably be pretty cute, and it's, man, maybe cottagecore. I'm still trying to figure out what cottagecore is, guys. I have to Google it because I've just kind of been watching trend videos and hearing about it and like kind of understanding it, but I don't know what all fits into it. If you don't know about cottagecore, Google it. This feels cute. Again, kind of summery. Oh, okay. I think this is an older tag, but I won't complain about being sent Reformation, and it is really cute. Is it a romper or a dress? It's a dress. It's a little mini, like linen. Okay, this is made of surplus fabric, so we don't know, but it feels like linen, or like a linen cotton blend. And it's got some smocking on the sides, so this is like a recycled piece. Or maybe not recycled, it said surplus, I don't know. I guess that's still technically recycling. This feels basic. Oh, okay, it is, but it is oat hippie, and this is probably a pretty good fall piece. What is this, just a vest? Yeah, it's just like a little button down long vest. That's pretty cute. Yeah, I'm good with that. Where are we at now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. We're at 7 pieces already? Okay. So 3 more. This makes sense. So this is a New With Tags Mage floral blouse with this like contrasting floral pattern. That's pretty. How much did you retail for? Do you say? Almost a $300 blouse. I don't even think. I think it's just like rayon or something. Viscose. Yeah, viscose does well. Okay. 2 more. I already don't know about this. This is probably gonna go to ThredUp. Or I'm gonna ask for something else. What is this? What is this? Is this a top? What is this? Well, the brand is, it's a designer, but it's Marc Jacobs, size 8. It feels so old and outdated and like weird. Like, what a color scheme. Okay, we'll see about that one. Really exciting second to last piece. Okay, here's the last piece. It seems to be a skirt. I don't know this brand. It's another one I have to look up. And it's another cute, different style skirt. It's got like a peplum silhouette of scarf, or skirt. But it is wit, size 4. Very pretty. And these are all kind of summery pieces, which I should have expected, but I have another fall box coming in the mail for them. This is a silk blend, a silk cotton blend skirt. So I have more sweaters and stuff coming, that's fine. But this was an interesting bag. I'm not upset with, okay, so I'm happy with it. The Nanette Lepore dress, I have to do research on to see if I want to sell it. I'll probably just do that. The Marc Jacobs, I could send it to ThredUp. They'll probably take it, but it's okay. I guess it is a designer piece. I think I'm just being picky and complaining. I didn't get a bad bag. I got a pretty good bag. Overall, I'm happy with it. I definitely am gonna make my money back, as well as hopefully profit at least double my input, since this was something that I didn't have to source. It came straight to me. So if I can at least double my investment, that would be great, which I think I can do. Thank you for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of this box. What do you think of Jomar? Have you ordered from them? Go ahead and put those in the comments. I have another video of my last sweater weather box that I unboxed last week, so if you haven't seen that yet, go check it out. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's not gonna hurt. But again, thank you so much for being here, and I will see you again real soon.